You looking for what?
Can I get a Band-Aid?
A band-aid?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Because now when I come home and I see that car around, it's going to be a problem. Stop taking shit from people's houses.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the video. Try to get to your packages first before these people do.
Here you go.
Oh,
Yes, there you go, honey.
oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a great day. You too.
Guys, I heard somebody screaming. You guys are good? I heard somebody screaming. You guys good? I heard somebody screaming. You guys good?
Yeah, we're good.
For sure.
Hello? Hey, don't touch that package. Let me call you back home.
Who you looking for?
Can I get a Band-Aid?
Let me know what you guys think about this one. He has his hands in his pocket the whole time. Not sure.
You looking for what?
Can I get a Band-Aid?
A band-aid?
Yes.
Are you serious? You asking for a band-aid for people you don't even know?
Yes.
Dude, you need to get a better professional. Go to your parents. Nobody gonna give you no band-aid. Where are you
No, my
from? Who are you?
no, my friend Band-Aid.
I don't know you.
Alright.
I feel like he did right. You never know these people's intentions. Got to be safe out here.
Can he get a band-aid? What the hell?
Check this guy out. He scales this fence to try to get this bike.
Hey, we're calling the cops. You better leave that fucking bike alone. Get the fuck out of my backyard, dude. No, qué pinche sorry, dude. Vete a la chingada, güey.
If you're ordering groceries for delivery, please try to be home or get them inside as soon as possible. Because things like this is crazy.
The pole too. Y'all grab the pole. Anything y'all took from inside of that house, put it the fuck back. Cause I seen y'all grab a pole. I have 2 cameras on the house.
Say one more time, I can hear you.
Y'all grab the pole from the side of that house. I have it on camera. Why would y'all just put back something y'all didn't grab from the house?
Now
Is that the one you took? Put back anything the fuck you put back. Because now when I come home and I see that car around, it's going to be a problem. Stop taking shit from people's houses.
All right, put it back.
Hey, what are you doing? Some fucking guy's drinking water out of my hose.
Please don't forget to lock up your scooters and bikes. The size of this scooter, it could be placed inside. Also, don't forget to lock these car doors. Please don't keep no personal information or valuables in your vehicle just in case. I know these compressors are a couple $100. We gotta start buying chains along with our valuables if we're gonna leave them outside. Another friendly reminder, don't forget about your other package delivery options. P.O. boxes, Amazon lockers, and pickup locations are available, just in case you have this issue in your neighborhood. As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Please like and subscribe and share. I'll see you in the next one. Please guard yourself and stay safe out there.
Where's the rest of it? No, that's not all of it.